The proportion of students who said they saw broken glass is 29 out of 150, which is about 19%. There were 50 students in the hit group, so we would expect that this proportion of 50 would say yes in that group. This comes out to 9.67. Even though it's a decimal and we wouldn't expect 2/3 of a student to say yes, this is still our expected frequency. We do the same thing here. If we expect 29 out of 150 to say yes, then we would expect how many out of just 50? This is just another way to look at the same thing we did here in the hit group. This is the same as 29 divided by 150 times 50, which is the same thing, 9.67. This will also be 9.67. Note that we could have put different numbers of students in each of these groups. We didn't have to divide them evenly. In the problem set, you'll get more practice with unequal groups. Now for no, we expect 121 out of 150 to say no. And so out of a group of 50, we would expect 121 divided by 150 times 50 to say no. This is 40.33, and this will be the same in all of them since each group has 50 students. To simplify things, we can calculate the expected values by simply doing the column total times the row total divided by the grand total, where the grand total is the total number of people involved in this study. However, it's really important that you understand intuitively how to calculate the expected frequencies. Don't just use a formula just because I give it to you. It's better to understand it than to plug and chug. By plug and chug, I mean you plug values into the formula and you get something out without really understanding what you're doing. Hopefully I explained it enough to where you understand it intuitively, but if not, feel free to write in the forums. You can also email me, because I email you every week, so you should have my email address.